Active for tune, know we are home. Welcome back to Davi HD YouTube. Wanna deal with. So we're back with a new movie that wanna name How I Lost Everything. So I want to do make sure on a like, make sure on a comment, and most importantly, make sure so on share up it. We are trying to get back in pan farm. So we are kick off the thing right. We don't know what to do. Do the usual. And remember, if you feel charitable and like the movement, feel free to link me anytime. The number over there in the description if case you want to make no donations or such. But just enjoy the movie. How I Lost Everything. Jesus Christ.
I can't hurry.
Please, my late folk, you couldn't wake me up.
Every day I see him thing. Every day you late.
So I mean every day I'm late for work?
Because every day I see him thing.
So I make me late for work?
You know something I like your style?
And you make me late for work? Every day I ain't had nothing. I have to cook, clean and wash when I come back. I make go out all day, I come back. To say I'm home and the least I could have do at least tidy up the place. Baby, I not even have time for all them push up food in the shell.
Wow. Oh wow.
What do you mean, oh wow?
What do you mean by me not do anything in here? You do anything in here, all I focus on your dirty work. And that alone I care about. What you talk about?
So now I work and provide food for the
I don't care.
So if me top work, you now work. If me now
Me
work.
not supposed to work. You're supposed to lie down, sleep, eat, everything. I used to do everything and you had the man in the relationship. What you talk about?
Yeah, man, if you go out and make money, but you're supposed to keep your place clean, not even that you not do.
But what you are you supposed to do? I don't have time for that. Never tell you to hit me up. What's your problem?
Brother, right now, I can't be figure out. Oh, I hope me not from me. Smell me, smell me.
Me don't want to smell you. I'm fine.
From, tell me now.
Let me smell you. No, you're not fronzy.
Me can't be figure out, you know. Baby, you can't stick up pressure out for me, please.
5 grand.
Even this, me not have 5 grand, man.
I want this a broke money, man.
Oh,
So if you not 5 grand,
Jessica, me not
I see you broke.
Me not have money.
Me can't, but I'm stressed, you know. Every day I see him thing.
You know, call it no money yet.
Me can't bother. Me can't bother my stress. You know, so stress me. Me want 5 grand, you can't give me 5 grand. What your problem?
You want 5,000?
Me want, no worry about that. Me want 5 grand.
Me can't live out so much. Me can't live out one bills or 1,000.
Oh, we are the 5 bills.
Oh, what me have?
But I see a lot. Just come on. Just come on now.
So baby, I really want for life?
Yeah, me tired of this. Me can't go through this no more.
What do you mean I can't go through this? I mean I go through everything. I mean I work hard and do everything. You not go through nothing.
Brother, you too broke. What you talking about?
You mean my broke?
You're broke. You're broke. Me can't bother. You stress me. Me want money.
So you tell us somebody get $1,000. What me
Who you
can't?
are the $1,000?
What me can't give me
So you can't be like your friend them.
Which friend that?
Me not need to call on them. Be like your friend them.
So what do you mean be like my friend?
Because look on them, them a drive car, you walk foot.
So what wrong with walk foot? Me a young boy, me a just
You know
22.
me. Remember that's what day when we got a big party and the girl come pull up in a big crown and me have to pull up in a taxi. You think that nice?
Yeah, but if you didn't want
Don't touch
if you
me.
didn't want one crown, you could have carry a Burger King and then get it sitting there to put my head. Oh
You
yeah.
must have want that you take me for door.
So me can't deal with myself.
Because you take me for an idiot. A foot we have to go up on a big party where and the girl and the man coming and the curl, you know. Him girl a driving curl and the man a drive female vehicle. And your friend them and they younger than you.
So baby, you can't watch other people. If you watch other people, your success now reach now. If you all don't know rent it.
So
But me I try my best. I me buy ticket them, I me buy rum gear, I me buy your life and everything.
where you buy?
So me no buy 2 flasks them.
Flask. See there, we got a big party and a flask they could afford. Not even a big bottle of no Hennessy and VOC. Nothing you not do.
I'm one of these, you know. I'm not help, you know.
You're too broke, brother, if you have ambition. Young boy and they're richer than you and you can't reach. You're older than your
So
friend.
what if I get allowed in a richer than you, baby?
How we are chat to so? Are you make me broke? Me not supposed to do anything. Just lie down and eat and everything, and you come provide me with the goods there. I don't need to do anything. Hot girl no work. We lie down and sleep, and you supposed to go do your work.
And me I go out and do everything. The least I can do I keep the place clean. Baby, me just please, me I beg you, just sweep out the floor, because I'm late for work. That's all.
You know, see I come back and see first I do. Because I might beg me over there and I'm also on the road. So you better give me 5 grand. Broke boy, I can't bother with this. I'm going to left you.
What?
Nothing.
Where is it? You have left me?
Maybe.
Who come?
Go on, man. Broke boy. Can't buy my broke people anymore. You see, I left him for true.
Yes! So I'm glad for this arrow, sir. No long I do no work. No long this up at me down here kill me. Look, I think I did be well be known in the street. People know me. Look, this is that thief and robber. That thief and robber boy, I'm dead long time. But be there for 9 o'clock. Last night I know me can't. Oh.
Dumpling man.
Say
reach early.
Me I tell you say, I reach for 9 o'clock last night, you know. Cause with me and man I go on work. Go on work very early, you know.
And then I got this man did me not last night, but that's alright though. So
what project? What mission?
We're going for chop out front. Wait, what on there? Are we Davi in the bush?
Who?
One black youth man.
Me not see nobody at all.
I yarn him to work for the place. You don't come here?
No, sir, me not see nobody. I'm alone there from 9 o'clock last night. I don't see nobody up here or nothing. I'm alone there.
Awesome.
What you talk about?
You want to see yeah, I told him to go up on the work because I want
me alone can't mash up this man.
No man, dumpling man, I'm only for work. But don't worry about that, him always do it. You see I know? We go want, you see I want building one build up right or so. So we go and want to chop go back.
Oh, you want chop out all them stick over there and
yeah, but you see when they with the so first the front part. And then tomorrow,
yeah.
and if I done early today, we can get to the power saw and start power saw down to the trees.
So I don't work job work at days work, you know. So 5,000 a day.
That good man. If I done yes man, you can get 5,000 a day.
So if I start now and don't know, you have to give me money, you know. Cause no job work. You understand?
You say me hire people and I pay them?
I tell you how me stay.
Me I tell you how me stay. 5 grand a day. If you just make chop out from done there so to help your son. And if when you feel like you want to chop go back a little bit more, me put something for you chop go back a little bit more. Tomorrow you come again. Until it finish.
Tomorrow, come again. No, me I do this in one day, man.
So me can't give you 5 grand and the whole of you someone to chop out.
5?
You alright?
What you know? I go look for the work and price work. Because I always do the work that long time not doing work. Yeah.
So we can't go by the bush go look.
Eh?
When we chop for you, so go way back so you know.
This one.
Yes. Come up so. And the big tree that's so to one yeah. And that one right there so to me want them to move.
Alright, give me one 50 grand. Because I say them big tree I have chop down, you know. And my shape me I use on a power saw. So give me 150 grand.
Alright, me get to the 50
and we move them too.
Alright.
Yeah.
When we put something on it.
Yes,
and me
go
get your lunch. So when lunchtime come, me come back and get your lunch.
You're so kind. Thank you very much.
And you see if so for me had me there come go. For me had me come but me not bother. Me get sick and tired of Davi now. So me I go wait for him for 5 minutes. 5 minutes come. I mean come me ask over tell him. And me go let him message you but me not bother. Me go tell him myself.
Listen,
because I'm my best worker.
Your best worker. Listen, you don't want the best worker there no more. And me, I the best man, and me, I the worker now. I'm going to take every work when you do. If you garden when you water up there now, you have to stop water the garden and me I can water the garden there now. So, calm down. We don't reach yet. No garden up on my yard, no want no water. The garden up, man, the dry garden up there, man, want water and sprinkle, man.
No garden up there, so I know what you're talking about.
So a pretty girl like you, no plant flowers in a bloom.
No, maybe water.
No church tree.
Me alright. I beg you to go on to work. Go to work.
Yes, here, come remember some check back, you know.
Me I'll check it back, me now move it, me I'll wait a little bit. I can't believe this here, man. I'm going to take a walk.
I can't get on by taxi.
this?
You're blind.
Well, don't congrats me, dad.
Yeah, man.
I want you to say, I'll buy taxi now, look out, two bypass, I go there fast. And then the other boy. Like, you know, I'm somebody put it back now.
You know, so we don't run taxi, bro. We can't just buy beast and run taxi. We can't get a lift.
Can't drop now.
What do you mean? Oh, which part I go?
You know, say, I'll pass the dog, Quarters Lane.
Yeah. You know, we can't go in our lane, do you know? We can't let you off our lane front. No, in our lane too rocky for beast, bro.
Alright, respect Segway, dog. Bro, right now, the phone. Bro, can't fire for that. We go, take care, go. Have a stop, bro.
Okay. Dumpling man.
Yes, ma'am.
Me say me I go wait there for 5 minutes. I'm over there for me over there for 25 minutes now. And from the time me see y'all chat, me not see nothing now move, man. You know, if Davi there that move.
Actually, must share dull man. You want sharp man. Dull bad man.
If Davi there that move fast, you know, man.
So you know no file up a yard there.
Watch out, see my come back. When you come out, you must style your cotton tool.
Boss, a good man. Morning.
It's not morning now, Davi. Good afternoon at 12 o'clock now. What time work start?
9 o'clock. Sorry, me late. Sorry, couldn't get nobody taxi. Sorry, me late, boss. You know, so me late, but me ready for work now. I'm ready for work right now.
Yeah, hold on, let me ask you a question. You ready for work, right? How are you going to chop the grass? You feel yes? We're cutting tool eh? Oh man.
Boss, you don't say to me in a hurry this morning. You could look like me left my street up a yard. I told me man and stress me and sound look a problem in my yard, man. But boss, me can't watch it, look at.
Let it go.
Hello.
Watch it.
Hello.
Watch it. You be telling me man I make tear up all of
Listen to what me ask you now.
Let him go. Me can't do work.
Dumpling man, get back to work. This is what me ask you. Davi, me sorry, but me and Yan is in our work.
No, you're not sorry. You're not
In our work.
No,
because
boss.
You're late to come at work. Not only you're late, you know, you don't reach up here with a cotton tool. You come here with a long dot and you tell me about your girlfriend. Keep your woman problem in your yard.
Boss, pull out the glass. Look how me pull out the
Davi, me tell you, Davi, it's the best worker. Me and you work for how many months now? And we almost make it into 1 year, but I say it I go in.
Boss, no.
You can't go no
Boss,
further.
please don't.
No, man, you ever
Let's say feel got the boy. Fire him.
Look for Dumpling man. Dumpling man, they are whole long from morning and now you know reach nowhere far. This is only a little part of the place. If I did you, it had done long time, but you know have no respect. You know come here early. Me tell us if you come here and then first year later, if I did it first, you know escape. Every time I tell you, Davi, come 8 o'clock or come 7 o'clock. You come when you feel like say I beg me. You pay me money.
No, I'm here. Boss, please don't. Boss,
no,
boss,
in our
boss,
workout.
boss, please don't.
Dumpling man, come out of my business and work for the something before you get fired because you now work fast enough. I'm going to place for the by next week.
No.
Let's go up there. I see up there. You're not up there. How much bus?
Come here, later.
This white.
Get yourself another work.
This white.
Dumpling man, you finish, you can't let me for the pay.
This white. No.
Yeah, bye.
Please don't.
Oh, Jaja boy, you're fine. So I was going with your boss.
What's that? No, you know, say, come here, say, you need a woman a yard, 2 woman now.
Woman?
How much you want to pay?
Eh?
How much you want to pay?
Much you pay me? Where?
How much you want to pay?
Much you pay me? I don't want to know that now. I'm going to give me all 10 grand, man.
What's that now? No, I need you. It's done nothing. Boss, so I go on sometime. 2 me late. Listen, you know, say we can back working about yo, my woman hungry a yard, bro, and through my bread and something, you know? Yeah, in our bread with the belly, you know, but through your nose. So,
But listen what I say. 25 pick me have done there. And me have to buy 25 pack of Pampers. What you no give to the 10 grand there?
give me 5, I'm do more.
5?
5.
So what about $25? What about 3 grand?
3 then.
Yeah.
Can't do 4. 4 or 5.
Me give you a room you want all. Brother, listen me. Brother,
Alright,
I'm not about to get none then.
No.
I'm not about to get none then.
Yeah, man.
Do right then, man.
2-5.
2-5. 5 days then, man.
2-5.
Alright, me give you. You suffer like a me, you know. And you say you want to breed? Eh?
Yo, when you work, me not chat, brother.
You say you want to breed and then you
When you work,
pick
me not chat, brother.
Oh.
Yeah, man, what on?
There.
Where you come from?
Oh, take a walk from Kayla now. It's boring.
Oh, you take a walk.
Yeah. I get new bike though.
What you mean? You blind?
Didn't I have three of them already, Tiby?
Chihuahua.
Didn't I have three bikes?
I'm a first bike. This mean me have 3 cars. Me have a Benz, me have a Mark X, and me have a BMW.
Oh.
Me have a red Benz, me have a green Mark X, and me have a white BMW.
Wow.
I'm a first bike and buy brand new.
Wow.
So you know, ask me price.
You look like it dear. How much price?
Guess the price.
I don't know, probably about 2.
Put something more on it.
350.
250 plus
Wow.
30,000. It's not insured. So that's a 280.
Wow.
You just feel like so just cash out on 280 in and just go buy a brand new bike.
So you get so handsome.
So me not always handsome. If you say how me get so rich.
Oh yeah, that's true. Where you get so rich?
Alright, my family them did left some money, you know. And me get to inherit it. So millions. So me buy land, house, car and girl and everything with it. I'll buy it, me go buy it.
Wow. That's very nice, Tiby. So, you're not gonna know with it?
Huh?
You're not gonna know with it?
I mean, I just a regular day, I just say me a ride out
No,
and
like if you're bringing me out.
so
Oh yeah,
yeah,
look far.
me have to my boy there.
I don't know who you're talking about. Me and
My
nobody
friend
know
there.
them. Who you're talking about?
You know just drop him off a walk.
Oh, that are you there? Yeah, but an open relationship with him, I'm in a sex and I feel like.
You see it man, but so I feel me have feel my boy and you there, me leave okay, you know,
No, so see dancing.
I don't want to be that guy way. Yo, Tiby, what go on, my father? Yeah, bro, everything good. Oh, God, my father, me see how you're putting the work now, dog. Are you the same? Yeah, man, I'm in this one. Oh, God, my dog, you buy clean, bro. Clean and soap? Yeah, dog. Like a fabric soap. Clean and dog, right? I mean, I go and put in the work, dog. I'm more active and jump out to this, and my dog. Yo, I better go for the work, man. I better go for the work? I give you money for the where you come from, bro? Oh, God, my father, man. Respect, I hear my father? Man, respect, man, love. Yeah, man, heart and love. Alright, my father. Alright, I'm going to buy 2 juice to me pitting them. Alright. Alright, do that. Alright.
Wow, Tiby, you're kind though, man.
Yeah, we just kind, you know. And go forever kind. Because me have it like that.
Wow. So what you say happen now?
Why? To be honest, I don't really want to care go somewhere nice, you know, cause not because I have a little brick. It means that I can carry any and everybody somewhere nice. And remember, say I done for my dog already, you know.
Me not for nobody.
And I even carry dog go and walk today, so that would have look weird.
Yeah, but
Think about it.
alright, what we can do then is you're not bothered when I'm going to fancy. Let me get yard.
What do what?
Let's chill, Netflix and chill and have AC. Can Netflix and chill.
I wonder if you should do it or if you not to do it. I just chill, I
Come
want
on,
to
we
chill.
can do it, yeah.
No, you don't need to rub me down, you know.
So why you move so weird?
I chill, we are going to chill, not true?
We go chill.
No, remember say I'm a dog, I'm my best friend there, you know. Come on. Make sure I chill, we are going to chill, you
We
know.
go chill.
Come on. Chill, we are going to chill, you know. We are going to chill. What we are going to do?
Fast, man. They work really fast now. Set up less than a minute. You have to gear work here, man, I need to do it. That me have to do. Hey, you get 1 more minute, what do you have to chop done, man? And strength this man I have, man. Hey, I don't think drunk attack here.
Dublin, man.
That's go on. But they look a bit tired, man. Don't you know?
Come here.
Eh?
Yeah, that's my question. Where am I doing by yourself?
Him? You know what say the worker tell me something sad.
Not me worker.
Eh?
Me fire him. What him doing? Why am I do funny work when me give
You know what saying just he might tell me say he have woman in yard pregnant and they hungry and him hungry and two of them tell me just feel sorry for me and just say yo you know what give me work. I say and tell him say anything you give me split between me and him man. Me split it. Anything man. Me sorry for you man.
So me ask a question, dumpling man.
Eh?
Who in charge of the project? Yeah? Who in charge of the project?
Are you in charge of the project? I know me.
Who hire you to do the work?
Are you hire me?
You know look so. Like how you hire yourself because me send him home. Me no fire me no. Me start trick him that go hire him back tomorrow, that call him back tomorrow because my best work as me said before. Right? Me that teach him a lesson. And me send him a yard. And you pick up your enough self like say you is the boss. Are you in charge? Are you a PSL? When I me a pay you, are you a PSL? And hire you and put him for work and you sit down comfortable for the work I give you?
Boss, you know, in time, me say a black brother like a me too, you know, in time me look a problem I can solve, you know, just give me work and I can solve, you know. Why am I making goodness to beg somebody else and then shame me, boss, man. Oh God, me could work, man.
I don't know where you walk come from this
Boss,
morning.
I don't know some more, boss.
Alright, take a little time and go on.
Boss, want me to go on to boss, eh?
No, you get fired now. The work, the project over. You get fired.
So true, you go for your yard and not get for your little garden water. You want to come in and come take
No worry about that.
from me.
No worry about
boss,
that.
Me need my money, man.
Whose money?
Money no.
When you do work, me go back and see you still. Take a little time and go on. Go on. Leave the place. Move, man.
That's some cheap people.
People put up on you come on. Hello. Ma, Top chop, come here.
Yes, Miss Wife.
Me no say the yard. Are you yard this year?
No, man, I train big man strength and Mr. Boss, things hard for me, you know. Any work at all, to get man, but I take it. I just that man, train in big man strength and can't manage you up. For a long time, I see him, he's saying what I give him one look money, 3,000 out of 10,000 what I give him. I'm desperate, I couldn't do better, man.
Me say what I go.
He's saying what I give him 1 3 grand out of 10 what I give him.
How much money me I give him for the what?
He chop down you all of this one, 10,000 say I give him.
Which 10,000? We can't get somebody 10,000 and I want him hog star done there so 10,000?
I can't wait tell me and he saying what I give me 3 because I know I'm desperate. So yeah,
No, 50 me that give him, but no matter that, I look upon it. But listen to what me I say now. Take a time and go on here, yeah. Me need to find because I plan to call you back tomorrow. I say I give you a life lesson, so you cannot leave. Because if I did really and truly need the work, you don't make it on time.
No, but
and then you disobey me hard. I'm to say, guy a yard. You always have work. Like say, uno hire on yourself, and me hire on
Miss White, look now, see them 6 7 learn me lesson. See, he might get 50,000 and I say I'm gonna do it for 3. You can't just give me 25 then man on the match up before.
Take a little time and go on, please.
Miss White, look now man.
Don't me call the police.
No, I'm not calling the police, Miss White.
I was, hello. Don't me call the police, another way. Take it, you tell them Miss White, me look old. Take a little time and walk, go on.
Look right there. 10 minutes to take on.
That not had nothing to do with me. That not matter me. I never put you for work. So what me you take money from my pay you? Me put you for work?
No, but me
A dumpling man put you for work. Go look for dumpling man.
So me your best work you can't 1,000.
No. That's what me I say. Take a little time and go on home. You are fired. And if me ever see you nowhere, none out from my property them day no. Davi, mark my words. You will be going to the police station. I will take out a restraining order against you. And again, you don't have no money to bail out yourself, so you go and stay down here. So I don't guess you want to go to the position. Please police. Oh, look on to 3, you know, guys. 1.
Miss White.
You know, move. You call the police, you know.
No, Miss White, you don't have to call the police.
2.
No, Miss White.
2.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, me, they match you. Dumpling man power, dumpling man, gather man, me work.
Lose the work. Never have to lose it. Never have to lose the work on a Monday. The man will go on me 50,000 man I get. And just through my desperate, I say I got work for 3,000. And boss come back. And I eat that, you know. Look on the amount of work and just because I'm desperate and want the money, I say I got work for 3,000 now I lose all that work. Father God, I don't know what I'm doing in life, but I don't deserve this. Eh? I know say I don't pray every day, I pray sometime. Why life's so hard against a trying man? Tiby, but I want a new bike. I wonder if he could have nothing to beers enough. Beers are costing hungry. And if he would have lent me 5 grand, I could have linked him. I'm trying to call him.
I know say Jessica. When you chat about Netflix and shit, I never know say this I mean, you know.
Yeah, no, don't mean no.
Eh. Why? It's like a way you would pan for my friend the dog.
Oh,
Can't believe some really do this time. I feel guilty, you know.
sure, I'm alright. See, y'all text me right now. I'm there, I text him 219. You don't understand, Tiby, he's a wicked. Enough time I did that and the man don't make me eat for weeks. Me a starve. So you don't understand, you know, Tiby. I be a things in go on with, you know.
Like what, so?
Man have me a starve. A wicked boy, you know. I
Starve.
never know that.
What do you mean by starve?
I
Come
barely
understand.
eat. When I did them, I barely eat. He have me there starve. Barely eat and thing.
See my call me too.
Show me your answer for.
I pray my dog.
Bro, you know, say I look a piece of trouble me in a dog. Yo, you can't come link me now.
Yo, me now want me glass something,
No, bro,
something
bro,
tight, bro.
emergency, please, me I beg you. Tiby, please.
Me can't come, bro.
Tiby, please no.
Bro, me can't forward there now,
Bro, me in a one desperate situation. Tiby, please no.
Eh?
Me I beg you, please.
Yo, me not
Please.
here, bro.
No, yo, no, hang up now, please, bro, please,
What?
please. Just link me now.
Nah, here. Come like if I'm call me now. I'm ready to tell her that.
So where your answer from the person no answer? I'm a wicked, you know.
Boy, I can't believe I really do this, bro.
Deserve everything, but I'm a wicked.
No, you not really deserve it, you know. Remember, say we are friends, you know.
Oh, wow. No, nothing to do with my friend, my friend. You deserve my wicked, man. Ever have me a staff.
What do you think we going to do? What do you think we going to link tomorrow?
You don't need to link it. Let me tell you, say my stress. You me tell you, say your friend wicked and even want to feed me, brother.
Alright, what you want to do? You stay or you leave?
Me I go leave, but I want money first.
Come in now, go down to the machine.
Machine, so you not money for you?
No, I don't have it. How much money you want?
No, you can't bother to go on the machine.
I don't have as much cash as what you
have to
think you
have
want,
cash,
you
it
know.
no matter how much.
Come on, because you know room, you have me roll here now. Machine we are go.
No, got no machine. Come on.
Alright, good. Those work, what me I do? You know, you have Friday and Friday. So what me I go do, man? What kind of salt is the for me? Why? Call Jessica. I'm not getting him to man, yo, man, and that. Yeah. Come here, call the phone and now get up.
What have to do with you?
What do you mean what I have to do with me if I'm going to walk? Oh, me call the phone and now get up. I don't understand. What do you mean, chop? You don't see me talk to you. Me call the
So
phone
you
and
want
now.
me done for?
Because me call the phone and now get you. Where did they?
What have to do with you when you there?
Jessica, where were you?
Don't touch me. What have to do with you when
Where
you
me, where were you? Talk to me. Yo, talk to me now, my youth. You see me talk to you.
I'm fine as a good
You
man.
see me talk to you. Why make you ignore me?
Me not ignore you, Davi. You're just annoying.
Me and Jessica, me stress out. I mean, not even feel like me and nobody to chat to.
Oh, you stress out. Me stress out too. Because I want money and I give me money.
Me lose the work.
You're so careless. But what you mean by you lose the work, Davi?
What do you mean me careless? Oh,
I want to be so careless cockroach. What you mean by you lose the work?
boss fire me.
Me say me didn't know say this day gonna happen. Me didn't know say this day gonna happen, man. Me say come on, me sense. I mean, I don't want to do this a workless no. Boy, you just irritated. You know what I'm left you do? Me gonna left you.
Why you feel left me? Why you feel left me? Look
Look
how much things me do for you. Why you feel left me?
Take up my bag. Charger.
Where you go? Why you feel left me?
You tell me I leave you, you don't understand that?
And then you have back for already took a long time to plan for left me then.
Well, maybe. Want me to think about it, but this, look at my face. This comes with money.
And you
You don't got shit.
Are you
So,
make me
what
lose
you
the work?
talk about?
Are you make me lose the work?
Oh, me make you lose your work.
Careless lifestyle. Me have to
Oh, you are careless, dirty boy.
Me have to clean up half of you. Me have to clean
Dirty
up.
workless boy.
Me no work.
We are talking.
Me gotta work.
Me a get one new man. Me tired of you. You're too broke.
This guy, me, I say I do me. I say you cheat me. I'm see what you need.
Without me weave, without me weave.
My head ball. I'm the dead for you. I say you really do me.
Well, me have ear by my head now.
Me can't love me.
People change. We need money.
Baby, me can't find me. No, listen, please. Tell me.
I want to do this a careless boy. I will have to. Davi, how much chance we give?
You don't give me no chance. I give you a chance. You never do nothing for me.
How much chance we get someone to stay with you that I mean? What you talking about?
Just because someone lose work and you want left money.
Yeah, me can't stay here. Me have to go elsewhere. Me have to find one new man.
No, stay with me now, please. Me need it. I know me need you. You can't left me now.
Well, me know why you. Sorry. Like I come on. We not there again. Why you hold my hand? We not there again. Why you hold my hand?
Stay with me now.
When we are stay with your farm, me say me know why you again. Me get one new man.
See, you don't love me.
You're too broke, brother. What do you? You just a hold. We don't hold up a stress, brother. You know, man. Hold up a stress.
You don't love me.
Me not love you. Me never love you in the first. Your money me always love. What you talking about? What? Where you come like that from? Don't touch me. Don't call me. Don't mess me. Block me number. Fuck this boy. Find one new man. Can't manage them up broke like
Ah!
Tap call my phone. No sir. I can't even snap in a piece. I mean someone tap call my phone. I can ruin my good relationship with my good man. The rich man and him broke out and make this a call on my phone like just obsessed with woman so. No sir, I block him. What? I won't block you.
Oh, it's me again.
Honey, what's up?
Yeah, man, good.
Yeah. What happened? You cannot talk to me. What happened?
Nothing happen.
You cannot talk to me. Oh, yeah, you know, some of the day I miss you. See, me had on my phone and I'm boring. My day I miss you and thing, you know. I think about our future when we go get married and thing.
Hold on, so fast.
What do you mean by so fast?
Nobody you fear boy left.
Joe, stop talking about that. Him never make no sense. And me and you there, you know? And me and you there. So, don't ever mention about the name to me again if you don't want me to have anything in here. Anyways, how about dog go name and the daughter or his son?
Daughter?
Oh,
Son?
why you act so weird?
Wow.
More know how puppy go name, how much puppy we gonna have. More have 3 puppy, and more have 2 daughter, and about 3 son. And more know the name for now. And my marriage now, more married a one big lake, like you know, like them big place. Right now, I didn't want to marry in Jamaica. I want to marry overseas.
I think you need to take your time out and look into yourself and slow down. Because you go too fast, you know.
What do you mean by me? I go wait, hold on. How me I go too fast, Tiby?
Where you get daughter and son from?
Shut up. You know, you're going to tell me what I want. What you talk about? No, I don't understand this. So, me I explain to you what I want. And you're going to look for me like, say, you don't want that. So, what you doing for Tiby?
I would ask him the same thing. Question. How long you have fear boy there for?
I'm gonna tell us if you stop mentioning him. I want you not mention the youth name to me, okay? Don't mention his name to me. Stop pissing me off, bro. What do you?
I feel a way. Cause I did my friend. And that's probably I still my friend no did. I'm my friend now.
Okay, so you never know when your friend in that day are going. You never know.
Me get jaw out.
Shut up when you get jawed. You can't say your friend and you do that. Eh? You're not friend, you're not real friend if you do that. And if I know you feel guilty when that did go on, and you go on in most way and all that type of things. And you never did remember about your friend. I know you remember about your friend, you don't already broke the friend rules. So I know where you want to feel about that.
I think you probably should go back to him. Cause you didn't move too fast.
Me I move too fast?
Yeah, you want
married. It look like you like your friend more than me. Come I understand this, so you come and ask me, say, me know when people in a relationship, they like move fast. But for some reason, you know what move fast, so you come like a Davi, you want to do it instead of me. I have feel that I don't know what else would it be make you talk about. I first man missing move, so. That even him not talk about them things here. I never see a man move that way, they say they don't want to get serious fast with that woman. Something have wrong with you. Bro, don't look for me.
Time life rough. I don't know why just can't answer back my call. You know, not big girl, nothing. You know, treat her nothing but good. Nah, answer my call. The whole time, me I call Tiby, me nah get Tiby. Tell me saying soon call me back. You busy. Me I try call him now to that call.
It's a piece me. I just get feeling like you again.
See Davi call me.
He never something me around.
Yo bro.
Tiby!
What go on?
Brother, I waited for a win, dog. Bro, me I call on your phone much. You know, and nah, get a brother. What happened, bro? You may no friend again.
Bro, I told me busy. I kind of get tied up in some things, bro. For
Busy with what, bro? All what them, yo, me lose my work, brother. Me under one piece of stress. But and even that, brother, and even that, I had testing.
What go on?
Tiby. You know, say Jessica left me, though, dog. Jessica left me much days now. I call on your phone and nah get him. I call your phone, brother, me nah get him. Me don't know what happened. I can't hear from him, brother. I'm mad, me mad out there. Me love the girl with everything me have in my heart. Tiby, you don't see him?
No, sir.
Tiby, if you end up buckling him up or see him now, dog, tell him, say, please, we just hear what me have to say, because I miss him and I love him, dog. Bro, I don't even know how I feel for him, dog.
Alright, bro. Me I'll link you if me see him.
Alright.
Same thing me I talk about.
What your problem, bro? What your problem? What happened? I don't care. I do not care.
I go on the radio, man. Cuss with
Bro, anything you want to do, you go on. Because I must see your man, you feel that way. I must see your man. I hear a man, make you move so. And my ex, I don't feel that way and you go on the most way like say I hear a man. Go on by your business, you don't have to come back either.
You want to go on the road, you know. Marriage. Baby. All dog too. You know, say me no want good youth. Me no want good friend. Cause right now for my friend, stress out it look like. I pay things, bro. Why me really do that?
What do you feel like you again?
No, you don't say me no bother go on the road.
Hey,
Me I stay home.
I can't stay home.
Cause I feel like if you stay home.
My you what attitude for? Show me I talk to you nice. Don't give me an attitude. Come in again attitude. You need to relax yourself and watch yourself when you talk to me. I'm not who you talk to like that. Anyways. You know, so we're there for a good time now. I need to know some things about you. You hear me?
You know this, you know?
So what attitude for Tiby?
I don't know what attitude, I just feel like we are messed up, you know?
Mario, just shut up. May I talk to you? Because you really piss me off right now. I try to be very chill. Anyways, the bike where they say cost so much money. How much money for you trade this idea?
300,000 pay for.
Wow. Interesting. You know, say, what do you want me here to do? I didn't want to change my way. I know I just did yesterday, but you know, me a hot girl, I can't keep on waiting for me stand 2 days or 3 days. So I want to change it, and I need to do some grocery babes. And what else? I need my nails done. And you know, so I need my toe done too, because I mess up now. My toe kind of mess up now, and my nails pop off. But you know, say a really wrong question I asked it, or I really asked it, is that how much I make? Cause you know, the other ones and more have one too, you know. We can become so weird. But yeah, I wanna know why your other ones, cause me need to have one too, so every time when I get PR, whatever you do, I forget half of it. And for the things I'm gonna name up while I got nails here, everything, yeah. But I hear money that not out of mine. But how much I make?
That's not really your problem right now. But
Alright, anyways, then, can you not get to my
anything,
point?
anything I say, me I work with it.
Yeah, I want my lashes do a back over. I want my teeth do back over. I want to put on braces. I feel like me only want to do my nose. Because my nose so big. As I get big, I want to do my nose straight and look so like rebel nose. You know I want to do mine. So, and you know, some I want contact lens too. You know, so I need to get some more earring too. Because I don't have no earring. I don't know what they go. I need some more outfits. I need to bring to Panama to go get some grocery. Because grocery at Panama are very cheap. So I need some grocery. I need some more deer bag and some other bag. You get me? I need lip gloss too. The dear one them.
Alright.
Thank you. So I forget you now. So
No.
that's time I have to rate you. The
No, man,
dirty
no.
boy that never make no sense. I'm me in love here.
Yeah, man.
Your dirty friend. Bye.
I say that girl I just love me because of my money. That girl I not truly love me. So
Jet Li! What go on, Jet Li? Jet Li find woman. Knock it, Jet Li, knock it! Jesus Christ, Jet Li! Davi, what go on?
Boy,
You gonna tell me say Jet Li find woman?
Boy, go ahead, you gonna look for that now.
Oh, go on. You look like you just wakes up.
No man, boy, but you say come like me no sleep.
You don't sleep. Oh, sorry, girl, wife, you know, man, when you get left here. What go on? I want to you know, so.
But me say me have one piece of day, man, I worst day of my life. Me say,
Cheer, man. I link me come link you because I say a long time I don't see my father. I'm just going to get a link. I'm a dog, I'm a G. Where the point?
boy, listen, I know about you. Me don't even want to tell him
You
stress.
go what?
Alright, come on, you know say me have some money, man.
I stress you have.
Boy, I'm more than
Can you have stress too, you know, me can't, if you heavy, nobody tell me, you know, that if you like me, you listen, you know, you like,
like,
you like, I mean, listen then, man.
Alright, you know say me have more money, I say, mom, just get up on a cuss. I come like, you know say something.
Well, and your woman get up on a cuss, you just a cuss, or am a cuss you?
My cost me, man. So me not provide enough for something. But me try, you know, so every time I do the right thing. But me try and me figure that go good. Anyways,
So
me
you not provide?
I do my little thing, man.
Oh,
But
what?
me go work,
Mm-hmm.
right? But me late for work, you know. I oversleep the night there. I'm late for work.
You oversleep,
Yes.
you got a party the night before.
Kind of me have money for that party.
Cause time hard, you know, you know, Davi. You can't late from work, you know, time hard. Everybody want, people, you want somebody line up on your work. Right, me I still
Me said, I said to me, boss said. So anyways, me reach at the work, you know. Me I'll get a lift from my friend Tiby because I couldn't get no taxi neither.
Tiby?
Yeah, we run with them.
Tiby, I see you the use car for you when I go to school. I you there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you
So that go on, right? Anyways, me reach out.
Where am I ride? I drive bike, my ride, I carry.
I
Bike
want
carry.
new bike, you buy one new
Nobody
bike.
no carry.
Okay,
Okay, go on, go on.
You have money though, like you cash out, man. But anyways, so me reach out place now. Boss here say, Davi, you know, see you late for work though. I want different man, me see I do work.
Which right, I'm sure you're same place.
Up a bush man, me there do some landscaping work.
So you boss a man or woman?
I want a lady named Kayla, man, but she come like him.
Kayla?
Miserable.
Jesus Christ.
So here I go on. So, anyways, don't look like you over there. I think I dumpling man in him. He not too hot pan work. So he call me. Me link him still.
Hold on, dumpling man.
Yeah.
People name dumpling man. Alright, anyway, I'm name son, no me.
That. So anyways, me did India chapel work. Me tell him say, yo, me take some of my work and he just give me half my money. He say he can't give me half, he give me 3,000 dollars. Me say, yo, me call him, but me want to take care of me and the money. So anyways, me did it 2 hours.
So hold on man, can make it. Is it true when me I go to school? Me need a front and me need a black. Me need make someone understand. Cause you say you gotta work.
Boss, he fire me.
Oh, then not that you have to tell me that when you
Me get fired, man, but him now, through him the funny work and I can't manage him, say me help him.
Man, that you say man. So what going on?
Help me, I help him now. I chop down the whole place, cause
Yeah.
you know so mad pan him a shit. So anyways now, we're an hour or half hour later, boss come back, boss sit down pan the work, call dumpling man one side. Dumpling man, I hear work.
So hold on, dumpling man come in the fork or spoon.
You come with nothing, not even machete in half. I mean I have to bring my work.
So what boss say?
He say I know
So
you.
boss how Kayla?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So boss he say, hey, you're going like a few work, you know, so me send you home.
Okay. The boss say?
Yeah, that thing he say.
So you ain't fire you go send you home
And
again?
me, a dumpling man, truly, me for the work.
Come here, kind of ticking.
So, that go on now, right? That go on. So, in call one side now and say, Davi, you know, see, I'm a best worker. I mean, really do fire you. I just test me, just give you a lesson and tell us you can't leave work. But like how you come back on.
So, hold on, you change your mind?
You change it back again. So, like how make you come now and come on my property after me. Don't run you off my work already. Me fire you for true. So, I start begging him and say, please. I see you man, take out your phone and call 911. By the time I reach the second one, I down the road, me there.
So, hold on, we call 911.
I take
So your situation serious, him have to call 911.
Coloring book pass the whole world. I not tell her what hot yet. So after me come home and stress now. So me I reach home to wifey. Me get fire. I said, mama tell me say me broke and you don't want me.
So you know you get fired, you tell him how you know already.
Tell him. So me tell him say boy things not going good. After my walk out said he have one bag will come like he have pack already. So me bro me coloring book me don't know what to do.
So hold on, me ask you a question. So how long you have that woman live?
Good while man. We don't hold out with me for a while man. But
So you got a bag in pack already?
you look so to how fast you have it.
You want to know, but I tell you still not having me. I tell you the truth, you know. You see, now them a time right now, things are hard, things are rough. You hardly can't get work on them things, bro. If you live with a woman at 4 months or 5, 6 months, and you're them sardine, tin mackerel, rice, and you're them a whole out, you know. You rate, you know. So if you see him can't hold out no longer, no, say him a bait, you know. Same time, come. But you could have hold out look longer still. You see me? And you don't look like a one good woman. So I got stressed out you?
No, me I have to be that stressed me out beginning, but yes, if I need a couple of days now, me I call him and now I get him. What you come and book on that time, call him and come like he make mistake and press the green button instead I read one. I want man voice me here.
Hold on, Davi.
Shit.
Want you listen me good. So when you start calling, how much do you left you? Then Davi, if you and him left, what you call him for?
Come no want him left.
But he left already.
But me no want him left.
So you know once at the phone now, you see same man when you left you for, you never know so our man you left you for. But after you call the phone, our man answered, at that man you left you for. So you still have to call him? You saw God great. God saying I want stress. And you don't know saying I want stress. You know how long you man dig out that? And just use the work as excuse saying I provide more. I dig man dig out a long time, you know. I left you a long time. Make it go easy gently. Gently! Easy, calm down my father. Let me tell you something now, my God. You hear me I say now. You know so last year, November the 13th of November, my side girl left me. My wife left me. And my next side girl, when you have a next girl we never know. You all of them left me.
You should have left me.
Me ball, you know, you big belly boy and you puppy dan. I'm a general, you know. Me ball. I saw me pray. It for a better purpose. I 20 girl me have right now.
But with all due respect, you be better go on. Me no want to hear that.
Davi, hear me as a man, you good to ball over woman. But you can't ball in a crowd. Say, look on Jet Li, we just find one woman, eh? Jet Li find one woman and gone. Come on, Davi, that man.
Yo, come on now.
Davi,
Yo, come on down. Me a little Tiby. Me a me only for nothing.
Jet Li, easy no me kill it, Davi Dan. Can't believe it right. The youth young me now me a try show him say, don't ball over woman. Look how the man there saw ball, eh? You can't ball in a crowd, brother. Rose in a ugly. You know ugly in your heart to look on you. Tell me the truth now. When my woman left me and me want ball, me go in and me was go lock up and ball. You can't ball in a crowd. Jet Li! Wagwan! Knocky Jet Li! Jet Li!
What my face and now go back to the outside.
How that? Yo! Wagwan!
Yeah, I deal with my bro.
You just pull up for me so unexpected, bro.
Why? I was using the reason with somebody that but now give me the right meditation, dog. So I say I pull up on you, no, cause bro, in a times like these, I'm only bridging, dog.
True.
God, no. Yes, you know, see Jessica.
No, bro, you know, so I not see him for a day.
Brother, I say I call him dog and when I time he come and he make mistake and answer. You know, a few days ago, I'm here and a man voice start. Sure, me heart cut me in two, bro.
Jaja, then get a wicked as you, bro.
I tell him, man. Bro,
I will just give up, bro. Move on with your life, bro, and just give up off her, bro.
No, yes, bro. Because I'm not chat now, bro. I wait for things to get just kind of that. You know what I'm saying? I regular. Me not the money. Me not the money. I'm going to go on a day's work, dog. Sometimes all my money not come through. Sometimes I tell him, say, I go out and make 6 grand. With 6 grand, 3,000 I make. I give him 3,000 times and I give him half of 6 grand and nothing. So everything we give him, dog, bro. I don't know, bro. I see that thing. You don't give me no good reason why you left me, dog. So I stop on me. I wonder if I just stress and I sit in car. If I stress, me can borrow money, bro. Can borrow money and gain. For real, that's a problem. Because I love him with my heart, my soul, everything.
No, say you love her, man. Far not come from you. Say you have to love her, bro. She shouldn't do that to you, though.
I won't even understand that. But, how you would understand?
Every day I go on easy back, boy.
Boy, sometimes wish my life does nice and serious, I know.
Oh, me not nice, bro. After me not in a relationship, are you in a relationship and I'm mad over relationship and I stress over it?
What? What's that? How you want to pass them, my boy? Yeah, woman in there, oh, you're going like it now. Yeah, tough boy now, man.
There, bro.
Yeah, tough boy. What do you mean you're not woman? So you start wearing woman slippers?
No, bro, no. Bro, I'm telling you, bro.
So how for slippers then?
I'm sister slippers, bro.
Your sister come back down?
Yeah, bro.
Janelle?
Yeah, bro. Janelle's sister, bro.
I lie you tell. Let me not forget tell him hello, dog.
Yo, no, bro. You can't go in there, so, bro.
What, man?
My sister asleep. She just do one surgery. She asleep, bro. You can't go in there.
No, man. Me and a good man. Me tell him hi, man.
No, bro. You can't go in there. She asleep, you know. She get some rest.
So me know you're smiling there chat on the phone, man.
Probably a TV turn on.
Oh. Well, when you come up, when you wake up still, tell him somebody to check for you, I don't know.
Me I go up and go buy 2 juice. Me I go feel money and come out back.
Buy 2 of those?
Yeah, I buy 2 juice straight.
I'm one to dress up, okay, there, so. So just I'm like everybody out weird. Babes, look here, look on that. Brother, we are temple tapping nice, so me I show you one dress. This I just have 400,000.
It's just nice. Everything is nice. Me love
Yeah,
it.
buy for me?
Take time talk and me buy.
Let me tell you this, stop tell them to take time talk. Me in my house, we have them to take time talk for.
Your house?
Yeah, our, we house.
Oh, correction. You know, shop on the road, me I can go. What do you do? Come back.
Who are the others I talk to? Which girl come on me here to talk to you? I get a the other chat too.
For your boy Davi out there.
What if that boy I do now me play? Ocha, we have to be tapping that. We am ex come on me yard for Tiby. Why am ex come on me yard Tiby?
Tiby!
Tell us I'm want nobody in me yard.
No, me have forward, bro.
Man on me yard for.
How that? Janelle, wake up.
No. I sure me I turn on the TV, bro.
Me don't like your style. Why you make dirty that come on me yard for? Why you make him come on me yard for Tiby?
Yeah, make him man here say there.
So why you make him come on me yard for?
Veranda. Take time talk, bro.
So why you come on?
That blasted remote and I walk, you know. That blasted.
Just come on. Come out of my room. Come out of my room.
Your room.
I mean our room there. Remember say what the 400,000 just. Why you scratch your head?
Me I make her get anything for you.
Yes, I'm not for real. Why?
No, bro. Improve style.
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, father.
Yeah. You know, so when I say do some certain things at crib in here, what you call it, beer?
No, bro. So I'm pizza boy. I mean, I'm married this thing in Jamaica.
Your body fat. Man, I'm hungry right now, you know. I want to be gone so long. I can't call him, not call right now. I'm hungry, you know. So I'm a hot girl, we have to eat right around the clock.
God knows though, yeah. Yeah, man, really good. Yeah, I'm telling you the truth, you know. You know what I'm saying? Me plan to come up with a yard, bro, but you know what I'm saying, when my brethren color and become link with this morning, I tell him everything will happen, but how I lose more concept, dog. And I tell him the situation with Jessica said here. And the man go say, yo, you know, say a different man girl have though, dog. Brother, a ball, brother, a ball, me start ball, bro. So,
Since I phone a gone, but I decline to be declined my call. I'm call him back again, cause him not so rank. I'm so man licking him face. No, who for call him a decline?
I tell him, man, a ball, me start ball, brother. And I really like.
No, sir. So somebody will call for him phone.
I got to voicemail. Call him again, he must answer this time. Right now, I want 3 KFC singer right now and 2 burger.
So, I call the phone. So, I get it. I tell her, say a ball, me start ball, brother.
Again.
How would you get call the phone so much time? Could be how that?
Let me know.
It's like one Jessica Browning. How was Jessica?
No, bro, not Jessica that, bro.
So we see about Jessica.
I Josiah.
Jessica.
Yeah, bro. I know Jessica that.
You sure?
So me I do Jessica number on my phone, bro.
I think that's a phone, you know. Look at it.
Yeah, I can't go from here.
I go up. But we not just street as a dog. I move so fast. So we see I go on.
I have to go on my yard, bro. My
So-
sister awake.
So fast.
What?
Your sister.
Yeah, in wake.
Then you come on and tell your sister hi from.
No, bro, you can't come up there, say, you see, through in doing surgery, bro. Too much crowd. The doctor said too much crowd now for the run out.
Alright, my dog.
Hello.
You get them from here. Respect.
You go, brother.
Alright. Yo! Why you can't give me a lift?
Yeah, fear.
Huh?
Yeah, fear.
No, it's a lift me a bed. No.
No, come on, remember, I can't do it, man. I can't do it. Yo, Davi.
Where are you, my bro?
There, bro, what go on?
There, you know, say I call and tell us I just reach home, you know?
How you feel just reach one, bro?
Dog. You know, say me did take a bike taxi, dog, but too many are no fear, you know? Me ask the dog for a lift, but my man run me off and bike, dog, so me have to walk around, you know?
Jaja, dog.
So where they pan?
And then me there, walk home, bro.
Oh, where you top of some place?
Yeah, me tap down the road and I shop this, bro.
Oh. Alright, yo, thanks for buy me drinks and something, dog. I force me there get orange juice in a while, bro. True, me never took enough funds, you know? And respect for there by my side, true, me look crisis and something, dog. Yo, remember if you see Jessica, tell me something I look for you, please, yeah?
Alright, bro.
Please, tell me something miss him if you see him.
Yeah, bro. Well, you know, so me can't do this too. Jaja. Go over, go put out a girl there.
Oh.
Yeah, man, what go on?
You know what I say? Me there I'll call you, but before I get upset with you. You know see me I call the phone. Why you decline me call them?
Oh, you know, say, my phone.
Me need KFC. Me need KFC. Me tell us I want 3 zinger box. I'm telling someone 2 burger and the American pie from Popeyes.
But me did go down the floor right, man, but the line full.
Stop telling lie. Yeah, decline me call, okay, then you're the dirty boy. That's why. Just be honest. Yeah, then you're the dirty boy. So that's why you decline the call. So I need to go on.
No, my phone.
Me know what you did there. Me know what you did there. So don't tell a lie. Me know exact. I'll shop me know see you go to.
You know what I'm I decline the call? My
Davi,
phone, the girl function.
only for you know somebody have people that watch you. You Tiby?
But my phone...
What if I didn't know somebody have people are watching on Davi? I 200 they done there. Why you tell me lie, bro? Why you tell me lie?
Man,
Me know say 200
that's
down
flavor
there.
that. Me have something to explain to you.
What happened? Talk what you have to say. What happened?
You know, some I feel a way about all this a situation. Yeah. And by the time this now we more really get to a point. I don't think we can go no further because I feel a way with this situation we're in right now. So even if you don't want to debate with Davi, we have to just leave. Me no business what you want to do after.
Oh yeah, don't left me?
You have to just pack your things and leave.
Yeah, left me?
I'm repeat back myself again.
No problem.
Me not like that situation and we are going. So you have to go left. Even
No,
if you
you
don't want
don't
to
have to
debate.
speak no longer. You not me get what you say, you not fear rubbing on my ears and I rubbing on my face. Me hear where you say 7 left. No problem.
Yeah,
Matter of fact, me I got Davi and tell Davi everything.
you know, go on. Pack your things them and leave. It's over. I'm fed up of this right now. Because man come to me a ball and something there. Pack your things, man. Hurry up.
I'ma tell you this. I'ma tell you this, dirty boy. Me never did love you, you know? I never did love you. I am money me love, but me can't about this mean businesses as bad as things say. Davi, you give me a little money, might be 1,000 or 2 grand or 5 grand or 10 but at least of money. You don't want to give no money, you want woman and don't want to give no money. Me, I gotta tell him everything. I tell him what a bad friend you be. Because I don't know how you want to feel away. All of a sudden, whatever did that jump up, y'all go so, and y'all do all kind of things. But yet, you never did think about that time I say your friend, Friend like Uno, I'm glad they left me still, because I don't like it make sense. You never did give me my money. Don't see why. They have Caribbean. Call it out to your place. Since you run me out and say we left, thank you. Okay, where do you want me to ball? Not a ball. Put on my slippers. Dirty boy.
Boy, Jaja, you have to go tell Davi this first. I'll make sure I go tell him everything. Have to tell Davi this. No, Davi too long, bro. I'm in part too long. I'm gonna tell him this. Davi! Why pray, bro?
Where are you, my G?
There, come.
General. Where are you waiting up to realest friend?
Yeah, man, the realest thing, man, in Jamaica, man. Google it or ask it.
So you say I pray.
Boy, I'm come to show you a prayer now, bro, but I don't know how to explain that part, bro.
Tell me dog, anything. Tell me not gonna harm.
Boy, David.
What?
I don't know how to tell her that one, I swear.
Tell me, bro, anything, bro. We are nigga and dog. Anything you have to tell me, I can understand. What?
You see your one, Jessica,
1, 2.
me and her did there, bro.
Your name Davi.
You see her earlier, bro, when you come up on my yard. And you asked me who that in my house, bro. And she did in my house. Yeah, bro.
So how is that to you?
I feel a way about the situation, bro. I'm coming to confess, you know, bro, and tell you the truth. As a real G.
Tiby, tell me say a joke can't make that.
No, dog.
Tiby, you know how I feel about Jessica. Bro, out of everybody, you are my only friend, dog. And you me consider as my only friend. Only if you know, say, you are my girl locked down, dog. So all the time when me I call you, and you not answer your phone. Much days now me I call you, and me not call she, I hear him up the lockdown.
But I fear her fault, bro.
How I feel fault?
As she push up herself, man, bro.
So, brother, I tell me I'm a fool in this, brother. And you're my only friend, and you go live down with my woman, and then I call you, I just pop out and I call and ask you when you're there, dog. You know what I'm saying? If you tell me, I feel that way, I feel better, even today when this. It's a journal in there, you see, in there, not true.
Yeah, bro, she, bro. Feel a weird fear, bro.
So tell everybody, what make I did after you? What make I did after you? I say I'm a friend.
Bro, I feel a way, bro. Sorry, bro, about that. But me did have to confess, bro, because you link me and tell me some coloring book. I explain something to you, bro. You just shape my heart, bro. sorry, dog. I mean, did knock it.
You can tell us something. I appreciate the apology, you know, that.
Yeah, bro.
My friend Friday. My friend should have done right or something. Because if you say you're my friend, I have him right back on my back, bro, what would you do to me? And I appreciate your honesty, dog, but I don't want no friend for you.
Bro, at least I come to
I
you
appreciate you for going yard, bro.
I see I heard, man.
Davi. I miss you about. I don't even know what I like, but I want to get about Davi. Yo.
Look at me do everything. What make you go sleep with Tiby? Me never good enough for you. Come with child with you. What make you have to sleep with Tiby?
So sorry. I'm sorry, come give me a hug. Come give me a hug, man.
Oh, for you. What make you? Let's go with me, deal. Me never good enough.
I love me.
What make you treat me like that? Come with do, look come with do anything in that world for you. What make you have to go to our next month?
It's not me, Davi. Tiby,
What happened?
my forced in a relationship with me.
Why am I forced to Jessica?
He forced me because he said you don't have any money. I'm not trying to get back at you. And you may be upset with you, so I just scream. You can please stop crying, stop crying.
Because you hurt me,
Stop
bad.
crying.
You hurt me. You hurt me, bad.
I come back.
Why you bad?
Because to be a waste man and he's not a good friend. And I tell him I couldn't continue that the fakeness there. Them say I couldn't continue it.
So you would have to come back with me.
Yeah, I'm nothing for you. Come here, come.
You
Come
know,
back.
you hurt me again.
Come on.
Yeah, you make me feel no. You hurt me again. That put on me. You want me to love you, you know?
No, hurt you. You can please stop the crying. Stop crying for me here. Smile now. Smile, man. You're going to miss your woman.
Come see you now, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You miss you, you know?
You miss your too, man.
Take now. You know, your mother.
Come on. What's up, guys? You know what to do already. Wanna like, share, and comment, and I hope you guys love this movie. One Davidan and one Jessica. I'm out.